everyone, I'm Amanda with Sweet Pieces, and I want to know how many of you like wasting money. Yeah, me neither. So we have found a really amazing product that is going to help you save money. So I don't know how many of you guys have tried our gel stain products by General Finishes. Fantastic product, super easy to create a stained effect on basically anything without having to do sanding, stripping, and all that yucky stuff. So here's Sweet Pieces. Here are the credentials that you need to have in order to be a product in our line. It has to be innovative, it has to be easy to use, and it has to give you the best bang for your buck. So we found this amazing product called Bloxygen, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. So our customers have complained that when they bring home their cans of gel stain, and this goes for any oil-based product, gel stain happens to be the only oil-based product that we offer in our line currently. But once you use it a few times, you pop open that can, you use it, you close the can, it becomes like a rock. And here's why. So as soon as oxygen starts to get into that finish, and that's what happens as soon as you open this can, oxygen floods it, it starts curing the product. So now you've opened the can, you worked with it for a few hours, you close the can, the oxygen that is stuck inside of that can is going to start to cure that product. So here's a can that we've had sitting on our shelf for probably not very long, maybe a few months, and it's hard. There's no movement in there. It's totally hard as a rock. So what we normally have to do is we have to take a knife, we have to jab it in there, we have to saw off the top layer and hope that there's still gel stain underneath it. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. Now for us, is it such a huge deal? We go through this stuff, we use the products a lot. But for you guys at home, it's really, you have one can, you spend, $30 on it. You don't want to waste half of it. So we have found the solution. That's what we do here at Sweet Pieces. We find the solutions. So we found this product called Bloxygen, and what this does is it actually removes the oxygen from the can, and it basically inserts another gas inside the can that sits on top of your gel stain or any other oil-based product that you're using, and it doesn't allow the curing process to happen. So the technical terms, I'm not a science person, I just like to know that things are gonna work, but basically here's the science behind it. What's in this can is argon. Argon is heavier than oxygen. So basically when you squirt the argon inside of here, it's gonna push out the oxygen, and the argon is gonna sit on top of the gel stain. So how do you do this? Super easy. I'm gonna open my can, you stick the little straw inside the tube there. You're gonna put the straw in there, kind of pointed at the side so you don't get splashback. You're gonna set your can on it. In a quart container, you're gonna hold it 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, close it, pull it out, and then just seal your can. Now, here are some examples. We got these from Bloxygen. We have not obviously had the product for 2 years, but these have been, this had Bloxygen squirted into it 2 years ago, and this is an oil-based product, so you can see that it's still nice and movable. This one, no Bloxygen was squirted in here, so totally ruined. It's totally solid. So totally ruined. So Bloxygen to the rescue, super easy peasy. This can, just so you know, it feels totally empty when you get it. It's not empty, you're not getting gypped. It is just, it's really, really light. This is gonna last you 75 uses in a can, like quart-size cans. So that's a lot of uses. This is $11.95, not really that expensive of an investment if you have other oil-based products, but I did say you're gonna get the most bang for your buck here at Sweet Pieces. So what else could you use Bloxygen on? Well, we found you can actually use Bloxygen on some food products too. And I did some research. Argon is totally safe for food. They do actually use it in the food industry. They also use nitrogen. Nitrogen is a little bit less expensive. Argon's a little more expensive, but we tried it on an avocado, and this was John, our guy John here, it was his idea. Could you use it on an avocado? So this has been in here for 2 days, okay? Do you see the avocado? Everybody who knows, when you take out an avocado, within a couple of hours, it turns brown. Not with Bloxygen. You can also use it on wine. You can use it with coffee beans, cooking oils. I mean, the list is endless. And then of course, any oil-based product. So for us, in our Sweet Pieces line, it's gonna be your gel stains, but I'm sure you have other oil-based products at home. Oil-based paints, other oil-based stains, let's see, what else does it say? Varnishes, all of that good stuff. Oh, hops, that was the other thing that I thought was really cool for all you brewmasters out there. You can conserve your hops and they don't have to have oxygen floating around in there to ruin it. So, super easy product to use, has a ton of uses, and it checks all of our boxes here at Sweet Pieces. It's innovative, easy to use, and you get the most bang for your buck. So swing on by our website, sweetpieces.com, if you want to pick it up. Save your gel stain. It's amazing for gel stain. We've been using it now for a few months. We love it. We'll see you soon. Huntington or Massapequa, come visit us. We can't wait to meet you. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more? Subscribe now.